We are in the midst of an amazing period of technological change. A time when innovation isn't just breaking boundaries, but pushing us further than we ever thought possible. Now, I could reel off a number of case studies or win stories. I could even talk about how we streamline transactions and engage in digital transformation. But today, I want to talk about what the cloud means to me. You see, we need to break away from industry perceptions, ideas that the cloud is just a bunch of computers on the internet. It's not. It's more than that. It's an opportunity to do things differently, a democratizing framework that fosters innovation and allows us to push the technological boundaries that were once only afforded to the largest organizations. If we stop and take a moment to think, we quickly discover that the cloud is already enriching our lives. From bot technologies that allow me to check symptoms with a virtual doctor to IoT devices that monitor my blood glucose. The cloud is interacting with us in ways we only dreamed of in science fiction. We now have the capacity to understand disease faster than ever before, from the common cold to helping us win the war against cancers. What's more, it brings people together, from connecting with loved ones over email to real-time language translation during Skype calls. What the cloud gives us is the ability to embrace and understand new diverse cultures without the barriers of the past. It protects our identity and intellectual property, proactively alerting us of fraud and security breaches, even providing us with new ways to financially transact. It's visual, from streaming media for our entertainment to face detection for our security. It can detect when we are sad, when we have fallen, when we are sick, and when we need aid. But more importantly, it's unobtrusive. It makes life easier without us ever being aware, from predicting when an elevator will fail to advising how much fuel to load onto a plane. I mean, what a great testament to its success. A technology so embedded into our lives, and yet for the best part, we are totally unaware of its involvement. Now, we know that in the future the cloud will make our cars smart, but it will make our cities smarter, with billions of IoT devices connected into an ecosystem that will make cities thrive. And this isn't fiction. We already accumulate the data. Azure is simply the tool that will collect, process and present this knowledge back, helping us reduce energy consumption, increase public safety and nurture innovation and growth. For agriculture, Azure will control the application of pesticides and irrigation, preserving water and providing models for efficient farming. What's more, it will monitor livestock and give farmers insight that can boost production. What Azure does is take traditional processes and make them better. You see, when you think about the bigger picture, the Microsoft Cloud has already achieved more than we ever thought possible. The question is, what will you do with it?